Kill him. Vicious ice fighter. Northeast ice fights. Whoa. Rip the gummy bears out of him, Indy. Come on, Manny. Whoa, you're pretty fast, boy. They're having fun. There he goes, collision course. Holy mackerel. Hopefully the snow will wash some of the spittle away. Someone's getting a towel. Someone's getting a towel bath. Hit him! Oh. Yummy. Foolish mortals. Oh my goodness. You guys had enough? Good boys.